Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing the drawing for the 750 subscriber giveaway, which is the resin, the 8 ounces of KS resin, and extra little goodies. So I wrote everybody's name down. There was 1 through 10 here, 11 through 19, 20 through 28, and then 29 and 30. So we had a total of 30 people that wrote enter me, or please enter me, or something along the lines with the word enter. So I have put those numbers right in here. I will be I just recently made this cute little, this was a big old peanut butter plastic container, and I put some napkins, Mod Podge napkins, and decorated it for Christmas. So I'll be showing that video soon, probably the next week or two. So I have taken them all up. I'm going to pull one without further ado. Here we go. Let's see who the winner is. Picking it up one more time. Alright. Ready? Here we go. Let's see what we got. We have number 26. Let's see who that is. 26. 26 is right here. Tammy time. Tammy. Congratulations. Lady, you won. Oh my goodness, I just won that painting from her. Well, Tammy Tom, you won some resin. Yay, congratulations, sweetie. Don't feel bad. I'm going to be doing some more giveaways. I've got another one coming up in a few days I'm going to announce. And that would be our November giveaway. So no one else, please don't feel bad. You still have another chance to win. Plus, I think I'm at like 824 or 825, something like that. And as soon as I hit 1,000, I'm going to be doing another really good giveaway. Probably some more resin. Not sure yet, but probably a little bit more than the 8 ounces. So stay tuned for more giveaways. Tammy, you need to, in the description, you'll see my email. You need to email me with your address or message me or something. I think I have it, but please, I prefer that you go ahead and you have 48 hours to contact me to let me know, or else this will go on to the next person I draw. So 48 hours to contact me and let me know, email me and let me know your address, sweetie. And congratulations again, Tammy time. Alrighty, so did I show you? Alright, Tammy time, number 26. 26, if you could see it. And I think I showed this to everyone. There it is. Okay, right here. Tammy time is number 26. Okay, so like I said, I'll also be putting this video up for this little cute little container I made. So stay tuned again for another giveaway coming up in a few days. Probably the beginning of next week I'll put the video up. And also, as soon as I hit 1,000, I'll be doing another great giveaway too. So, we'll see you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.